Hello students, good morning everyone. Today's lesson is quality. So each and every person have a quality within him or her, and that quality brings to him or her by his or her own thinking and power, his or her own determination. I knew him from the days of my extreme youth because he made my father's boots. He lived with his elder brother in his shop, which was in a small by street in a fashionable part of London. The shop had a certain quiet distinction. There was no sign upon it other than the name of Gessler Brothers, and in the window a few pairs of boots. He made only what was ordered, and what he made never failed to fit. मैं उन्हें अपने दिनों से जानता था, अपने यूथ के दिनों से जानता था, because he made my father's boots. He lived with his elder brother, वो अपने भाई के साथ रहते थे, which was in a small by street in the fashionable part of London, which was small part, fashionable part situated in London. The shop had certain quiet distinction. There was no sign upon it other than the name of Gessler Brothers, and in the window a few pairs of boots. He made only what was ordered. जो कुछ भी ऑर्डर करके जाते थे कस्टमर, वो उन्हें प्राप्त करते थे, उसे दे बना के देते थे. He made only what was ordered, and what he made never failed to fit. To make boots, such boots as he made, seemed to me then, and still seems to me, mysterious and wonderful. I remember well my shy remarks one day while stretching out to him my youthful foot. Isn't it a full hard to do, Mr. Gessler? And his answer, given with a sudden smile for out of the redness of his beard, I don't is an ard. It was not possible to go to him very often. वो पॉसिबल नहीं था कि हम हर बार उसके पास जाएं. His boots lasted terribly. Having something beyond the temporary, some essence of boots stitched into them. One went in not as into most shop, but restfully, as one enters a church, and sitting on the single wooden chair, waited a guttural sound and the tip tap of his slippers beating the narrow wooden stairs, and he would stand before one without coat, a little bent in leather apron, with sleeves turned back, blinking as if awakened from some dream of boots. सो इसके माइंड में ऑल अबाउट रिलेटेड टू ड्रीम से रिलेटेड सब कुछ चलता रहता था. एंड आई वुड से, हाउ डू यू डू मिस्टर गेजलर, कुड यू मेक मी अ पेयर ऑफ रशियन लीदर बूट्स, कि आप मुझे रशियन लेदर के जो शूज़ आते हैं उसकी पैर बना के दे सकते हो. विदाउट अ वर्ड ही वुड लीव मी रिटायरिंग वेन एंड सी केम. कुछ भी बोले बगैर वो वहाँ से चले गए into the other portion of the shop, अपनी दूसरे शॉप के पोर्शन में. And I would continue to rest in the wooden chair, inhaling the essence of his trade. Soon he would come back, holding in his hand a piece of gold brown leather, with eyes fixed on it, he would remark, "What a beautiful piece." When I too had admired it, he would speak again, "When do you want them?" And I would answer, "Oh, as soon as you conveniently can." And he would say, "Tomorrow fortnight." Or if he were his elder brother, I will ask my brother. So students, rest of the chapter we will see in next lecture.